seems a bit rough. This seems a bit too complicated for what I'm trying to do. Like I could do this. Interesting. I've heard a lot about linear. I have not used linear. So let's look at linear. Show me what linear is. So now I'm going to have it build that out. So it's going to build an actual artifact out and show me linear so I can visually see it. Another project I've been working on is how to sync all of my chats correctly. That's been through right here. As you can see, there's a lot going on here in Chinatown. Right here, visit there, localhost GPT page. Okay, I've got to go back through this later. I've got another meeting I've got to head to here in a second. But the whole thing that I try to do is I try to set up my project management at the beginning of the day and what tasks I have to break down. As you can see here, I've got several windows open of these that are actually operational where I've been working the past 2 days. 1, 2, and 3. So I usually have one engineer going around the clock when I need to, but at this time I don't. To give you an idea here, I've also got cursor running. Boom, here's cursor. Let's see here what the 3 to-dos are that it's been working on. Rerun, audit. Okay, it's doing that. So that's just a general idea of what we're up to around here. This has been recording for about 18 minutes. But a lot of what I do on the daily is I try out methods and then I have to conduct research to determine what is the best method forward. And I use GPT-5 or I use Grok Heavy or I use Comet, meaning Perplexity, it's GPT-5, Opus 4.1. I use GPT-5 with Perplexity for my deep research on that system, which I find the deep research with Perplexity to be a lot more reachable. But I also do deep research with Grok Heavy. And I do like Grok Heavy. I have a lot of hope that Elon will make Grok an amazing, amazing model. And that's why I paid the 300. I don't know if I will renew and pay it September for that, because 300 a month for an AI model that really the only thing you're getting out of it is highly intelligent mathematical capabilities. If they can build it out to where it's coding superior to everything else, yeah, I'll pay 300 a month. Because a superior coder is everything. GPT-5 is currently the world's best coder, not just by their announcements, but code with it yourself. That model kicks ass. It's amazingly brilliant, and it will shut you down, it will tell you when you're wrong, and it will tell other options and opportunities to pursue. I truly love working and interacting with the model. Other things to think about. Today I'm also going to be doing a video going through a lot of what is currently trending and what are new tools. I'll actually do that right now. Let's go ahead and do that. So one thing I'll tell you that I am building before we go further is I'm building using 2 different open source systems. One of them will automatically track my URLs for Claude Code, for ChatGPT, for Perplexity, which I want it to do. It's pumping those URLs to a storage hub, and then the storage hub is automatically triggering a webhook back to my local OSS 120B model, which is then supposed to take those URLs and parse them into a Notion database. I want to visualize the structural flow a bit better, maybe use jitter just for the hell of it to make it so I have something visual to look at and work with my team. But the reality is I can visualize this flow pretty easily and we can look for alternatives that are better. The whole thing that you want to keep doing, I feel like, in the AI revolution is creating. Even if your creations are subpar, you want to create because it allows you the ability to then go in and rewire it and build it. That's the only way we get better products.